Welcome back to another episode powered by Explainur.com, where digital marketing gets simplified just like how we wish our textbooks were.
If only. But today, we're not diving into definitions or trends. We're going practical. We're talking about skills. Yep, the real stuff you need to actually do digital marketing, not just vibe with it.
Whether you're dreaming of becoming a content wizard, a data ninja, or just want to chill side hustle online, today's episode will help you figure out what you need and how to start learning it right now for free.
Let's first clear the air. When we say skills, we don't mean you need to code like a hacker from a Netflix show.
Exactly. Think of digital marketing as a pizza. You've got different slices: content, SEO, ads, analytics, and you can choose which ones you want to bite into.
And each slice needs different toppings or skills. Some are creative, like writing or designing. Others are technical, like running Facebook ads or analyzing Google Analytics.
So basically, hard skills are the tools like Canva, Google Ads, SEO. Soft skills are the mindset like curiosity, storytelling, patience.
Best part, you don't need a college degree in marketing to start. You just need curiosity, YouTube, and maybe a solid playlist to stay motivated.
All right, drum roll. Let's break down the top 5 skills every digital marketer needs. #1, content creation. Whether it's writing blogs, captions, or video scripts, content is king and consistency is queen.
You don't need Shakespeare vibes, just clarity, creativity, and knowing who you're talking to.
#2, SEO, search engine optimization. The magic trick that helps people find your content on Google. Think of it like planting clues on the internet.
And the rule is, write for humans, optimize for robots. That's SEO in a nutshell.
#3, social media management. It's more than just posting selfies. It's about knowing what to post, when, and why.
You're basically becoming the meme manager of a brand, but with goals.
#4, analytics and data skills. This is your compass. Knowing how to read numbers means you know what's working and what's just vibes. Like that one post that gets 3 likes and one of them is your mom.
#5, paid ads, PPC, Facebook, Instagram. If SEO is slow magic, paid ads are the fast forward button, but only if you know what you're doing.
You could be a pro at tools but still struggle without soft skills. Let's talk about those underrated game changers. Adaptability, because platforms change faster than trends on TikTok. Empathy helps you write content that actually connects. Communication, because if you can't explain it, you probably don't get it. Patience, results don't come overnight, neither does learning.
I love what Simon Sinek said. The goal is not to be perfect by the end. The goal is to be better tomorrow.
Yes, and in digital marketing, that's the whole point. Test, learn, tweak, repeat.
Now comes the juicy bit, where to start without spending $1.
Here's your mini roadmap. Content creation, start a blog on Medium or write LinkedIn posts. Practice writing captions, use Grammarly to improve. SEO, learn basics from Moz or Ahrefs blogs, then try optimizing your own blog or YouTube descriptions.
Social media, pick one platform and study it. Try building your personal brand. Use free schedulers like Buffer.
Analytics, Google's free analytics course is gold. Also explore Google Data Studio for fun dashboards. Ads, Google Ads, and Meta Blueprint offer free certifications. Also, check out Explainur.com. We break all this down in a way that doesn't put you to sleep.
For real. Plus, we're working on free guides and student-friendly hacks to learn faster and smarter.
Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need to finish learning to start. Build as you learn.
Exactly. Start that meme page, create that mini portfolio, offer to help a local business with social media, volunteer.
Every project, no matter how small, is a skill booster and a resume builder.
And guess what? Once you get the hang of it, your skills become your side hustle.
Quick recap. Hard skills like SEO, content, and ads are learnable. Soft skills like communication and adaptability, practice daily. Start free, start now, and build while you learn.
Also, bookmark Explainur.com for more deep dives like this. We make sure learning feels like a conversation, not a lecture.
Next, if this helped you get clarity, do 2 things today. Pick one skill and Google a free course on it. Subscribe to Explainur.com for student-friendly guides.
And hey, share this episode with your confused friend who thinks digital marketing is just posting on Instagram.
That's a wrap on today's episode. Hope this gave you a head start.
Thank you for listening. Stay curious, build in public, and don't forget to check Explainur.com.
Stay tuned, more digital marketing wisdom coming your way soon.